Lagyan mo na sa bago. Bukas na lang yan. Bukas na lang yan.
Nilabas ko man? Joke, ano yung dala mo? Kamatis.
Kasi yung kanin.
Good morning. It's Friday. Finally, it's Friday. Okay, so today is the day that we're leaving for Strasbourg. Me and my friend, we're leaving for Strasbourg for a girls' weekend. And yeah, I'm so excited because finally we are all going together. And so right now, the things that I have to do today are have to edit the vlogs from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yep. I really want to finish that because if I don't, then this weekend vlogs will be like late too, so I really want to be on track with the vlogs starting tomorrow, Saturday. So I said that on Saturdays I won't be vlogging, but since there's something happening this Saturday, we're traveling to Strasbourg, then I would be vlogging all day and Sunday too, so I hope I get on track. Today, the things that I have to do are pack my things. I have to make my dinner for tonight because I won't anymore be going back here home. I'll go straight to the train station where our bus is leaving. So yeah, edit the vlog, pack my stuffs, and then make my dinner for tonight. So yeah, let's start this. First, I have to pack. So come with me as I take my suitcase from the garage. They kept it there. Oh my goodness, they locked the door again. I don't have the right key. So, which one is it then? Hello? Nasaan yung susi ng garahe?
Yan, nakasabit.
Alin yon?
Merong bakit?
Kunin ko yung isang maleta doon walang susi.
Malaki.
Ay, itong malaking susi? Okay. Okay. So this is the key. The one that I did not choose because I thought it's too big. Apparently, it's for the garage. So, yeah. Yes, finally have my baggage now. Have my valise. So I'm gonna be filming myself what I put in my bag. So I'm going to film a video of this, but it's not going to be on the vlog. I think I'm going to make another video for it. So yeah, here are my stuffs that I'm going to pack. Here's my suitcase and yep. So I'm done with packing my stuffs and now I have to make my dinner for tonight because I don't want to be buying dinner. So my plan is to make either meatballs or beef patties. Yep, I eat beef now with cauliflower. Where's my cauli baby? So yeah, let me wait. So in here I have my cauliflower already. I'm going to grate this and then I'll put some mushroom too, some cheese and beef because I want to make some beef mushroom. I don't really know what I'm doing. You know how I am when I'm in the kitchen. I do everything that I can think of. Experiment, and they all turn out to be good. So yeah, stew, ground beef. The thing is, I used to not eat beef, but now that I am, my stomach is blah. So yeah, here we go. So it's done now. I've done it. Yay! Just exactly 9 little patties for me. And I've already preheated the oven. Should have done that a while ago. Right now, guess what? I'm watching Netflix 13 Reasons Why. Because it's May 18th and it has just come out. I love it. I've been waiting for this, so I think tonight in the bus, I won't be sleeping. I would be watching this. I would surely be watching 13 Reasons Why. I love it. I don't know why, but I love it. Here we go. Here are my little experiment food. And it's going to the oven now. I think it's gonna take like 30 minutes or maybe 20 minutes. And yeah, I'm gonna start this. So it's been some like 20 minutes now. I'm not sure, but let's check it out. Yum yum. You know what? Thing is, I forgot to put egg in my recipe, but that's alright. But I'm not sure. I think that's okay. I think egg would make much better, but that's okay. It's so done now. My brother has come home already, and look at this. I hope it tastes good even without the egg, and I hope it holds without the egg. If it does not, I'm so dead. Wow, wow, wow. So, I'm done with my food. Why is it not following me? So, I'm done with my food already, and I think I want to have something to drink for later. Wow. I'm making myself some strawberry smoothies. Again, I hope these ones are much better because last time the milk was not cold and the strawberries were not frozen. So this time they are, and I hope it's good.
Ilabas ko nga. Joke, ano yung dala mo? Kamatis.
Yung kanin.
Kuna yung charon. Charon namin yan. Kasama. So, ilagay ko yan kasi
Hindi namin kasama yung mga...
walang tuyo. Ilalagay sa baba to. Ay, sa baba. Bunda.
Ito, meron ako isa.
Ay, sa masira.
Hanap pa, dinala ko may kamatis.